Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So we are back with another C++ video on this channel, and today we are creating an amazing project using C++. You can say it a project or program, it's same because it is also a program. So we can just say it as a program, you can say. So we are creating an amazing program to calculate an area of different shapes. Means the program which we are creating in this video will be calculating the area of different shapes. I will be showing you how it can calculate the area and how it is showing all the area by calculating the answer. So it will be really amazing video and it will be really different project, you can say, because nobody has built this amazing project of C++ on YouTube, and I hope that we are building it for the first time, and we will be creating this project from start, seeing all the things that how we can just create this project, how this program can calculate a area of shape, means all the areas of shape, like 4 areas, 5 areas, 6 areas, any area you are getting on the shape, it will be calculated by this program. So just what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our amazing project of C++ from start. So now here we are on the computer screen where I will be showing you that how we can just create this amazing program of calculate area of shapes from start using C++. So before creating this program, obviously we have to create a C++ file in which we will be writing the codes to create this program. So just now you have to move to file and then you have to press new file to create a C++ file. In previous videos as well, I've shown you how you can create C++ file, so you can check that out. But in this video also, I will be showing you how you can create C++ file before creating any program or any codes in C++. So here we have to first of all give the file name of C++. You can give any of the file name, like I'm creating a program of calculated area shape. So I will be giving the name as area of shape, like this name I will be giving. And now just remember, don't give any space of name. Like you can give the space here, no problem. But then after, if you give a space any of like name, when you're giving in C++ or any other language, so you have to just define with the space with the when you're running the program, then there as well, because if you don't do that, so your program will be not running and you will be getting errors. So here you have to select the location where you have to save your file, and if you're a beginner, I will be prefer you to save the file on desktop. So just select the location of desktop and then write here area of shape, any of name you can write. But remember, when you are writing the name, after that you have to write .cpp in the end. So I will be writing .cpp to save my file on desktop. Now you can just see our file has been saved on desktop, and we are also getting the C++ logo at the top. Now we have to just write the header codes of C++ like we get, and in previous videos also when we were creating the program. So I've shown you how you can write the starting codes. So in this video also I'll be showing you how you can write the starting codes in C++. First of all, you have to use this hashtag with include iostream I will be writing, which is the starting code in C++. And then here I will be using include cmath, because we will be calculating the area and this will include this cmath function here. Then I will be using namespace std, which is another header function in C++. Init main, and in init main we write all the codes. Like if we want to create anything or any project, we write all the codes in init main. So now we have to use that. So I will be writing here init choice, in which I will be using the float area radius. So I will be writing here comma radius, and I will be also using length and width here. You can just see we have used that. Then use the count area here, and in count I will be just writing first calculate me the area of circle. You can give any of the shape name here. I'm giving the names like which are common here, and then I will be using count2, which will be saying that area of rectangle. So I will be moving here, and then I will be writing here area of rectangle like this. Then we will be ending this as well by writing this end L. You can just see we have end these two functions here. Now after ending that, we have to create a third function. The third one will be saying area of a square. So you can calculate different areas of different shapes. I have given these three common shapes here, which is circle, rectangle and square. Then I will be closing this as well. Then again count, but in this we will be not writing any area. We will be writing here enter your choice, means user will be writing his or her choice here. Then I will be closing this, and then I will be writing sin choice. Then the code will be just seeing the choice or showing the choice to the user, and then giving the answer related to the choice, which is choose by the user. Then here I will be making curly bracket case 1 you have to write. In case 1 I will be giving the count, and in count I will be writing here the enter value. So I will be now writing here in count like enter the radius of circle. So you can just see we have written that. Then make this 2 colon, and then I will be writing sin radius. So here I will be writing that sin radius, close this, and then here you have to move down and write here area equal to 3.14. then it will be just including radius comma 2. Then you have to close this function and break the value here by writing this break function. Then you have to use the case 2 here, and in case 2 I will be writing here count, and in count I will be writing enter the length of the rectangle. Now we have calculated the radius of circle and the area as well. Now we will be calculating the radius and the area of rectangle value when the user will be writing rectangle. Now here you have to just move down and then create here a tag which will be like same, but the thing will be different because in circle you get radius and in all other shapes you get length. So we will be calculating by length. So I will be writing synth length and right here count enter the width. So I will be writing enter the width of the rectangle like this. Now you have to just write this 2 colon, close this, and now write here sin width. After writing that, write here area equal to length, and I will be writing multiply by width. So it will be multiplying the length by width, and then break the value here as well. Create case 3 here, and in case 3 the count value will be saying that enter the length of the side of the square. So now here we will be writing the length of side of the square here. Close this, write here sin length. So I will be writing here sin length and write here area pow, and then in which I will be writing as length comma 2. Then after doing that, just close this value, and now you have to break this value here. So we have breaken the value as well. Then write here default the value name, and after writing that simply we have to just write here another function which will be as count, and write here invalid choice if user will write anything out of the box. So the tag which we'll be getting is that invalid choice. After doing that, simply here you have to write the mark as well down. So we have to write this exclamation mark and then close this function, and then write here count which will be as \n, and then write here the area value which will be like this, and then we have to write the area and L. So you can just see we have defined the value and written the value as 0. So you can just see the value has been also returned as 0, and all the things has been done. Just you have to save this file here, and then you have to run this in your VS Code, or you can directly run it by writing this C++ run code. Then I will be now pressing this run code button here, and if I press this button, so you can just see our program will be started running. You can just see it is showing me some error here in the default value. So I will be changing its spelling. Now you can just see, I think it will be now same. If I just show you, the value will be, or if it is still getting error, so you can remove the value as well, no problem, I think. Yes, now run this code again. So I will be running the command, and you can see after running the command we are getting the area of circle, area of rectangle, area of a square, and then it is in the end telling me or showing me that enter your choice. So now we have to enter the choice here. I will be writing 2 means rectangle, press enter, and now it is showing me that enter the length of the rectangle, and I will be writing like 5, width 6, and you can just see it has calculated me the area as 30 by multiplying the width and the length. So I hope you understand this, and like that if I show you of circle as well, it will be showing me the same thing, but circle don't have any length or width, so it will be showing me the radius of circle. So you can just see radius 5, and you can just see the area has been calculated like 78.5. and like that if I show you of a square as well, so it will be also same. So I will be writing here enter the choice as 3 means a square, enter the length which will be as 5, and you can just see area has been calculated by multiplying 5 by 5, so it is 25. So area has been calculated here successfully. So I hope you understand how we have created a program to calculate areas of different shapes in C++, and I hope you understand this different type of program or project which we have created in C++. So if you have understand this project and if you have enjoyed this video from start, so remember to hit a like. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe. And after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn about these amazing things which we are building through this channel. And also check out my C++ tutorial videos which I have uploaded, and many of the videos will be coming in future as well, because these are just starting videos which we are covering up here. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.